Steven Spielberg presents Back to the Future, a Robert Zemeckis film.
On January 13th, 1985, Doc Brown decided to go to the future with his dog Einstein. But when he wanted to fuel his DeLorean, he put in pure hydrogen, which does not have the same amount of protons and neutrons in the nucleus, just like other isotopes. Rather than plutonium, this results in the time machine taking him to before time. He was whisked away to WBCE, way before Common Air. He then faced the challenge, how is he going to get back to his laboratory? There was nothing around him, just blank white space. While Doc was attempting to create an ingenious plan to go back to the future, his dog decided to make a not-so-funny mistake.
Eureka!
Said Doc. Einstein was a very special dog created by a very special doctor. The dog actually excretes protons, neutrons, and electrons. Doc, being a smart chemist, already knew that 7 energy levels existed and that each electron level holds different amounts of electrons. So if he was going to make an atom of plutonium, he would need to get dirty and look at his man's best friend's noisome present. He went to work and found 94 protons, 94 electrons, and 150 neutrons to build up PU. He then wanted to check to see if he had the right amount of electrons, so he set up his orbital. His work looked like this. He then placed the protons and neutrons into his makeshift nucleus. He then found the charge, valence 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and atomic mass 244, and the atomic number 94, and mass numbers 228 to 247. He did this to make sure he created the correct atom rather than a different isotope. One lost electron could end in travesty.
Great Scott!
He got the electron configuration correct! Doc then got into the DeLorean with Einstein. Once he was in the vehicle, he put in 1985 into the flux capacitor. And bang! They were off! But little did they know that they triggered the
It's gonna get hot today. Grab an ice cold sun drop and show us how you drop it.
Deliciously citrusy.
There's too much booty in the bands, drop it. Too much booty in the drop it low. Too much booty in the bands, 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 bands.
Work it, ain't no stopping. Keep on rocking.